Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In case it's your first time here, my name is ejatu.shaw and I'm a London-based photographer. It's currently London Fashion Week and I've just come back from the Roksanda show and they very kindly sent over this two-piece for me to wear. A moment for it, please. So I thought I'd head back to the studio and take some self-portraits because it's not every day you get to wear Roksanda and look this cool, and I'm usually in sweats, so let's have some fun with this. So I took my yashica T4 with me to the show and I do have some exposures left. I have a roll of Fujifilm 200 in here, and I don't think I've had many a self-portrait moment with this yashica. There is a self-portrait function, so I'm going to stick it onto a tripod and see what happens. First, a quick look at the incredible show. It took place at Space House, set against London's incredible skyline. Okay, so the yashica is on our tripod here. I think I'll start with a moment here on the stool, just sat down. My next setup, I'm going to stand and pose just as I am. Oh, it's so hot in here. I'm going to try that one again, but with glasses on because I was wearing glasses at the show. I'm going to bring the camera a bit closer to me and tilt upwards. Just going to take the tripod up higher and hopefully have something a bit more portrait vibes with the shades on because, again, sweaty mess. Okay, cool. I have around 3 shots left, 3-4 shots. So I think I'll do some where I'm leaning against the wall. The sweet sound of a complete roll. We love to hear it. We love to hear it. It's a wrap. As always, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really hope you enjoyed this set of self-portraits. I really enjoy wearing outfits like this, playing dress up and wearing the heels and going all out. So yeah, this was a lot of fun to photograph. Thank you to the team at Roksanda for this very sick outfit, and a massive thank you to you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next one.